It all starts with nutrition. That's right, it all starts with nutrition. According to the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress, in their wonderful ebook on complete health with mind, body, and spirit. Yeah, wellness, lifestyle. Chiropractic is all about lifestyle changes, and it starts with nutrition. That's what Fabulous Feast is all about. Learning to use food as your medicine and medicine as your food. And that antioxidants are great for reducing the aging process. And certain foods reduce inflammation and pain. And certain foods are better for muscular and joint health. That is what it's all about. Nutrition starts with food. There's no reason to take a supplement if you're eating poorly. Eat properly, and then stack that with lifestyle changes for stress management. Stack that with movement therapy to keep your joints mobile and good posture. Stack that with good sleep and rest habits. Stack that with chiropractic adjustments for neurologic and physiologic well-being. Stack that with a healthy, positive mental attitude, and there you have it, a complete guide to health and wellness. Thank you, F4CP, the Foundation for Chiropractic Progress. Get your free copy of the ebook. It's right there on the screen. Write down the link, check it out. It'll be a great way to start and continue your path to wellness, health, and a full life.